Hi guys, so today I just have a bunch of random stuff to share with you. I still need to do my Arizona haul, which is basically beads and some cute like clothing items and things, but candles, which I've already given as gifts to the ones I bought those for, so I only have a couple left to show. But right now I have some stuff, and I actually just opened a box from JoAnn. I'm like, JoAnn, when did I order that? So I guess it's been sitting there. And then I think I got in an order from HSN that I think is in auto delivery. So if I can link anything in the description box, I will. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. And I'm talking about the companies that have affiliate links with. With HSN, obviously it's an auto ship, so I don't think it's available yet. And I think it's the Crushers Companion sentiment banner, whatever it was called, auto ship. But I do have some fun things from Amazon and some stuff from the DollarTree, so we'll see how far we get. Real quick from Amazon, I ordered some stuff after the season because they were a good price. So I have this cute little skeleton die set from Tim Holtz Colorize, and it's Mr. Bones, and he's so cute. I got this little die set here from Dies to Die For, I guess is what it's called. It says you can find ideas at Dies to Die For online. I don't know anything about that, but I thought it was really cute. I love the little coffin and things. I did order some other items, but I'm not sure where they are right now because I think, you know, things come in from Amazon all day, all at different hours, so I put them here, I put them there. I did pick these guys up after I showed you guys how I made, well, actually, the other day I made a video on how I made the little beaded dangles for my loaded pocket swap, the Home for the Holidays, and I had some lights from Hobby Lobby. I think they might have been from like last year. So I went to see if Amazon had something similar. They had these, and these are super cute. Actually, I like these better. Well, I don't know. The other ones are cute because they're clear. But these are just so cute, and they feel so nice. Oh my gosh. So I'll link these, you guys, because they were relatively inexpensive for, like, you get a ton of them. How cute are these going to be? On dangles. Look at all the different colors in there. Just a ton of them. These are the ones I had ordered that I showed you guys, and I couldn't find them, and then I finally found them after my swap. I was like, ah. So anyway, these are little gift bows, and they're also charms, and how cute are those guys? So definitely keep an eye out. I'll be playing with those. So I'm hoping to have a loaded pocket birthday, happy birthday type swap, or birthday celebration, I guess, swap. Maybe I'll announce it this week. I really want to, because that way you guys can work on it if you have some, you know, downtime, but it won't be due until after the first of the year. But please, if you know it's a busy time for you, just don't sign up, because I know people are going to say they can do it, and then if it fills up, I'm going to not let other people come in. Last time, I think about 10 or 11 people dropped towards the end, and that was a bummer because, you know, I didn't let 10 or 11 people sign up, right? So I had ordered these little macarons because they look really cute, and it looks like they hold stuff, and I don't know if that's the case, but look how cute these are, because I figured I can put my glitter mix in here, because we'll definitely have a glitter mix in that swap, but we'll see. I also ordered something else that I was thinking about using for that, so let's see what these are like. I mean, how cute are these? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's what I want to know, is how do they hold shut, and do they hold shut pretty well? And actually, if I put some glitter mix in, that would be really good, but I probably still might put it in a baggie. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? I mean, it can hold lots of different things, I suppose. And it holds really tight too. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in love with these. Okay, I have too many. I mean, this is plenty. I don't need to order more, but I want to. How cute are those? And they have them in all, like, if you want all pink or all peachy or all blue or whatever on that same link. But I did a mix of colors. Oh my gosh. And then this should be similar kind of thing, but it looks like a candy. Yes, oh my gosh, and there are tons in here too, so I probably don't need all these, but I'm sure I'll use them throughout the year, especially around Halloween and other things, so I'm not too worried about it. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. How tightly do those hold on? I mean, I guess you could wrap it to make sure that, like, I can't even open it right now. Ah, let's see. Is it being held down? No, it's just that tight. Okay. Okay, maybe this isn't the best option. Well, it holds tight, which is great, but at the same time, you know, you don't want somebody opening that and the glitter going everywhere. But again, if I put it tight in like a little jewelry bag first and then pop it in here, how cute are these? Oh my gosh, you guys. I'll definitely have these linked for you. These are adorable. Oh man, that's gonna be tough to choose which one I would like to use instead, or first, you know? Or use, period. And then I ordered more of these guys, more sleeves, and these are actually the sleeve that's a little bit tighter. They're 5x7s. I ordered 2 types a long time ago, and these, they're like thinner. They have a different layering top, and they're just a little bit smaller than the ones that I normally use, so I'll show you real quick. I don't know why. Caprice, I still have this folder here from a folder swap. Obviously, I put the paper clip somewhere else, but this is why I like these guys. Basically, they hold your 5x7 folder swaps really nicely, and they still have a little room for it to be a little chubbier, and if you can't fit it in here, then you know it's probably too thick, right? So anyway, I love my 5x7 sleeves, so I had to get more because I was running out. And definitely not because I couldn't find my other ones. This place has become a zoo. I'm not even gonna put that back in there. Let's just put these over here. Okay, I think that's it from Amazon for now. DollarTree. Oh, is it taking forever for you guys to get your stuff? Like, our Impressions usually ships pretty quickly. I haven't seen even a notification that it's gone out, and then I bought that stuff over like this, you know, Black Friday weekend. Tonic, I think, has shipped, but it's not here yet. HSN, I ordered like before Black Friday, and they barely started shipping stuff yesterday, and I'm like, what is going on? Like, it just seems like everyone's taking a long time. Other than LDS Creative, I did order from them, and it went right out. So, you know, I don't know. The DollarTree is kind of hard for me to show you guys. I picked up a bunch of random stuff. I love their little cups like this, and I usually get their wine glasses, but this year they're having like these kind of goblet type things, or what is this? What is this called? Just a glass. So, maybe a tumbler, I don't know. Really cute, and they only had a few left. That place was picked over, and I went to my local one. I know the one at Escondido does a better job of having stock, or at least they have more stock. But anyway, want to show you they have Toblerone little ones. Oh my gosh. Do they always have these? I don't feel like I've noticed them before. And then look at this one. It feels nice and heavy. I only buy the ones that don't say anything about warnings over here in California as far as like lead. So, this one says it's a stemless wine, and I mean, it really does look like a nice wine glass top. So last year, or a couple years ago, I got another one, I think it had a little gnome, but it had the whole stem, right? So this is more of a wine glass, and I only had one left, and I was like, I'll get the one. If I can find one more, I'd be happy. I picked up these little baking spirits, bright. Look how funny how red this one is and how like light washed away that one is. But I picked these up because I wanted to do a little series of like quick, fun kind of gifts, and of course, you can have something like that. And if I show you the other stuff, you're going to figure it out real quick. But either way, a mason jar, even though I have mason jars, but I want to show you that you can get at the DollarTree, and then we're going to fill it up, I hope, with like a little cookie mix or something like that. You guys, that old school stuff that people do, it's really fun. I grabbed some bags for that. Ooh, confetti table scatter for my, hopefully, birthday loaded pocket coming up. I don't know if I like these colors for what I want, but maybe I'll pick out the certain colors. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really know because I don't know what paper I'm basing it on yet. Oh, they had these. Now, these are interesting. Felt flower kits. I got a couple of them in pink and this off-white. They come with crazy glue for some reason, and they have the leaves. They're really cute flowers. If you guys remember, they had some flowers a while back that were really kind of big and bulky. These are a little more stylized, a little smaller, cute. I suppose if you want to cut them down, you could, but I'm not sure. They come with super glue, guys. So, kind of interesting. Little North Pole bed and breakfast pot holders to go in these little baking sets that I'm going to be putting together. Literally, they had like 5 mugs left that were about holiday. So I am only a morning person on December 25th, and now I look at it, it's a little messed up. It was facing this way when I picked it up. I tried to pick the nicest ones. They were all kind of a little funky. Oh, they had little jams. I thought it was really cute. So a little peach jam to go with some other things that I picked up to go with these kind of baking themes. So I have the homestyle biscuit mix, brownie mix. The biscuit mix I thought would go with the little jam. Just, you know, stuff like that. I grabbed these other pot holders. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, more festive. I grabbed little random things like measuring cups, their little silicone spoons and things like that. Some Christmas fabrics. We'll see if we use that, and pretty sure I'm going to use that for this part when you just cut it down and put it on top so it looks really cute. I got red, black, and white felt, just because, who knows, we might do some felt stuff. I have cocoa here, so I didn't buy any cocoa, but I did pick up the chocolate-covered marshmallow men because I thought that would look really cute in a mug with some cocoa and all that kind of stuff. So just little things like that. Alright, let me put this stuff back up. Oh, I even grabbed one of their cutting mats because I wanted to see if I can use this, but I think it's a little bit too big to go in the Spellbinders machine, so that's a bummer. Or a machine of that type, right? The Big Shot. So you know you can cut these things down too, so we'll see. Anyway, okay, let me put these things back and I'll be right back. This box is really dusty. I don't really want to touch it too much. This is the one from Crafter's Companion. Receipt on top, address everywhere. Hold on. Okay. This is a nice bag. Oh yeah. So again, they just kind of threw everything in here. When I looked down in there, everything looked like scattered. Okay. So, this is interesting. Christmas is in how many weeks? Just a couple? A little behind. Or is this a Christmas thing or no? Yeah, I guess so, because obviously the colors look Christmassy. So this again is the Season's Greetings edition of the banner, sentiment banner auto ship. I forgot what template library, not template library, my library. Now I'm stuck on the template library. Oh my gosh, the comments I've gotten on that are so good. Either people are just agreeing with me, some people are like, hey, they're good. I never said the templates are good on the template library. They do what they need to do. They're just templates, and it's very old school, archaic. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm like, what's the word? I used to use do my nails all the time, and those I already forgot the word for what I was thinking about. It was like triphasic or something like that, which is not what you want anymore. Like there's faster, you know, gels anymore and stuff like that. Anyway, so archaic is the word I was looking for, and I kept mixing it up with the other word in my head, and I couldn't think of it. Anyway, they're both mean old school in their respective, you know, things. But this is very cute. And the last sentiment set I got worked really well, and I was really happy with, if you guys recall. So hopefully this one will be good too. It's just, you know, sometimes they're not machined right, like they're not manufactured right, like something is wrong with them, or they're just not stamping because they're, you know, acrylic and it's hard to get the thing going. But last time around I had a really good experience with them, so hopefully this one's better. I mean, it does feel honestly a little bit different. It feels a little sturdier. Still not photopolymer, but there we go. So the card bases are card blanks, red, green, cream, and white, and I love these. They are 4x6, so again, they're sticking with that A4 kind of sizing. The envelopes, again, red, green, cream, and white. I do like these colors. I don't know why we got it so late. This probably should have been like something from last time around, right, or last month. Oh, you know what? Now that I think about it, I think I kept getting notices they were going to be late. You know, sometimes they'll send you emails and it says they're going to be late, and then they send it the next day. So I don't really pay attention to it, but I do recall seeing something about an auto ship that was late, so it's probably this one. We have the word Christmas and the word festive, I think. No. Yeah, festive. And again, these words complete the sentiments. So sometimes the sentiments don't make sense. Sending love this, and then you would need the Christmas or whatever. Isn't a season, it's a feeling. So I guess Christmas, snowflakes, you know, that's just the word. Babies first, sparkle, greetings, believe in the magic of, so you pair it up with your words. Feast, let the spirit of, I guess, Christmas. I don't know what you would finish that with, but I'm sure there's something in there. And then these are just basically pieces of paper that coordinate back. Again, the red, green, and the white. And it's actually nice thick paper, white core, so of course you can do some fun things with that. They look like 6x8 type sheets. And then the baker's twine and satin ribbon. So I will follow up with a video on this, of course. Oh, I love looking at that. It looks so cute when you look in there. I love that just Christmas colors, you know. So red, white, and green. Oh, I love the red, green, and white mixed one. That is so pretty. Very cute. So I will keep my fingers crossed on that one. What do we have? Oh yeah, it's stamped and stamped. Oh, that must have been around that one thing. I thought they wrapped it around the whole thing. And let's see. From JoAnn, some things I don't remember. It's very heavy. So I'm like, what is in here? Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, oh yes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I had that sitting there and didn't even realize. It wasn't delivered too long ago though. So we have some cool stuff, you know me. Staple board. We can punch anywhere, which is really great. We will try it out. I do like that it has the different sizes of staples. I think that's fun. Small, medium, and large. And I probably have all these type of staples, except for maybe these largest ones, somewhere in my stash already. So we can do that. And basically, you're just going to place it wherever you want. You place your guy and doosh, you punch, you know, or staple, should I say. So we will see. That's another little old schoolish feel, even though this looks newer. We used to do that all the time. It actually says 2015. But We used to use staples as like part of the decoration, you know. So we'll see how that works. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I left this. Well, again, I keep repeating myself. It wasn't delivered that long ago. That's why I was like, what is JoAnn's doing? Everyone, it's just taking a little while right now. We have the designer dies, Gnome for Christmas, and it's just little label dies that were super cute. To be honest, I need to go look at my orders, so I feel like I ordered something more from this Echo Park dies, because they have some cute little die sets that are just small and like inexpensive, but if they're on sale, I think they weren't on sale. They were kind of high for just being like the small little dies, you know. Santa Claus Lane 6x6 Mega Pad, and that's why I feel like this one, oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even, let me try to open this up without messing up paper. I just saw these little gingerbread people and I was like, yep, let's talk about it. I gotta go because I gotta wake up my daughter, get ready for school. But look at this. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Oh yeah, this is right up my alley. Here, someone's awake. And it has plain papers even, it has cut aparts. I mean, this is really well done. Then it repeats. Oh, look at those tags. It repeats a few times. So there's a 3 of each page, 48 double-sided papers, 36 double-sided pattern, 9 solid, and 3 title sheets. Very cute. Oh my gosh. This is what weighs so much. Oh my goodness, there's 2 here. This is the heaviest paper pad in the world. Even one is super heavy. It's the Santoro Gorjuss Paper Crafting Kit. I think that's what they call it. I don't even know. Look at that. Yeah, A3 Mega Craft Kit. I can't even show this to you guys. It must be like 12 inches by like 18 inches. And it says pack complet. Okay, it's French. We're not going to read that one. This bumper 68-page pack includes 6 double-sided printed pages of 26 die-cut sheets, 3 die-cut card sheets, 30 papers, 4 sheets of stickers, 3 vellum sheets, 2 A1 wrapping papers. So I have noticed JoAnn's does sell, well, not a lot, some of the Gorjuss stuff, but really different items. Like, I haven't even seen this on Santoro's website. So again, I mean, it's really big, but there are the little stickers and the papers and die cuts. Actually, those are probably the die cuts. I think the stickers are down here. Wrapping paper, vellum sheets. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh yeah, so we'll bring this out and make a video. But anyway, I grabbed 2 of them just because I hadn't seen it before, and I'm really glad that I did. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, let me know how your orders are coming in or not coming in. It's kind of weird, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.